this will last forever.
Guys, I have a great idea to prank Marla. I'm gonna go get my car washed and have a little fun. Let's see how she reacts. She'll probably kill me. Sorry, baby. I love you. I told Marla if I ever prank her, she'll get mad. And she told me it depends. I don't think she'll get that mad if I prank her with this car wash prank. Because at the end of the day, I'm actually hurting my own truck by doing this. So let's see how this goes. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Wait, I gotta go get a car wash. I'm gonna go get a car wash.
Sure.
There was bird shit on my car. A lot, like I parked under this, it's like one of those power lines, and I parked underneath it, and there's a lot of bird caca all over my car, fresh, so I gotta go get that washed. Ready? Let's go. You guys, we were supposed to make a video today, but my baby over here is not feeling good. She's under the weather. Last night she was under me. I'm kidding. It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. I'm gonna show you guys where we're at right now.
Actually, just kidding.
We are going through the drive-thru. Well, not a drive-thru. Oh shoot! I just hit that cone, babe. We're getting a car wash. Oh, that's E-Man. That's the homie. That's the homie right here. See? Manny.
Concentration.
You get a ride? The light? Is this cool? It's not supposed to get with the light? You see? I got the hookup, man. That's the homie. Why did it stop like that? The homie always comes through with the rag. I guess I got the cheapest wash just because there's bird shit on my car. But I guess you have to have the value package to get this stupid thing to, you know, wipe. Baby, wipe your face with this.
Why?
Oh shit, look at that. Yeah.
What the hell?
What? Did you get wet?
No, but I almost had a freaking heart attack.
What? Oh shit, baby.
Let's open it again.
Yo.
Stop! There!
It's alright, babe. It cleaned the inside.
I'm gonna fucking... Help!
Baby, that person's gonna think we're freaking crazy honking at him. She got her ass.
Where's my... You made me drop my straw!
Are you wet?
Never.
Damn. Are you sure about that?
Low blow.
You sure? I'll edit that shit out.
Dang! Hater!
Baby, look. We're like Jurassic Park.
Nah.
I got her ass. She's wet.
Never.
I'll edit that out.
I'm never, ever, 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 ever wet. Ah! Babe! Stop! Look how wet I am!
I'm sorry.
Baby!
Oh.
You're buying me new pants right now. You're buying me pants.
Alright, we're gonna go to the mall. Baby, that's why I got this, the wife.
Baby! What the hell? And you owe me new shoes too.
Why?
And they're the NMDs because you got them wet.
Hey, what the? Whoa!
Go!
I got her ass, man. Baby, don't worry. I'm gonna go grab a towel in here. Here.
You're
Just
so
dry it up.
dumb.
Just dry it up.
Okay.
It's fine.
You got my purse wet!
Oh shit. I'm sorry. Yo, she just got a new purse for Christmas, and it's a Tory Burch. It's really nice and expensive, and I got it.
Well, you're lucky that it's leather because I
Babe,
can just clean. I can just dry it.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I got that towel.
Well, this one's wet. My ass is wet.
Just dry all this off.
No, you dry it off.
All right. Should I park in front of your house and dry it off?
No, you're buying me something.
Okay. What do you want? Let's go to the mall. Team Christian in the house, baby. Let's go!
I'm not gonna go inside my house being wet.
Well,
So I don't understand where you're driving to right now.
you want to go to the laundromat?
I'm cold.
Dry you up? Here, give me this. Sorry. See, guys. Sometimes. Can you dry that, baby?
No.
I love you. Seatbelt, babe. I don't want to lose you.
No.
So every time I prank you now, do I have to buy you something and make it up to you?
No, I was just kidding. You don't have to buy me anything.
You hear that, fellas? That's a blind lie right there. I don't believe that shit.
I always tell you that.
What?
You don't have to buy me anything. It's not my fault you want to go above and beyond.
All right, let's go to the mall. We're going to Michael Kors.
Nah.
See? Good lady right there. Well, I don't know. Is that a test?
No, I don't want to go to Michael Kors.
Ask this lady. Hey, Barney!
You're fucked up. My grandma has a jumpsuit like that.
What if I honked at her right now?
Stop!
What? Let me honk at this guy right here. Did I scare him? Oh, that's fucked up. I wouldn't have done that.
Christian, I hate you.
I love you, baby. It's okay, babe. It's water.
It's cold. And you have the AC on. You know I'm always just cold.
Oh, my God. Okay, so where do you want to go?
I need to dry.
Alright, well, stand in the sun. No? That's not that big a deal, baby. It's water.
I know.
Like this video right now, guys. For your rocking with Team Christian. I love you. Love you, baby. Let's go to the mall.